Bonnie, you want to tell a little bit about yourself?
Okay. My name's Bonnie. I am 73 years old and I'm from Denver. And I went down the very first time. I've been there 3 times now. The first time I went down was just to get some crowns done because my teeth were breaking on the front and very, very thin. Transparent, actually. You could see my tongue behind my teeth. They were so thin. And so I began at the dental school in Denver because I thought I would get really good care because the students have to be monitored. Every step they take is checked. And I thought, it would be less expensive than going to a set-up practice. And that was not the case. It was still quite expensive. And then adding to that, because of the regimen that they have to go through, it was lengthy. It was a lengthy process and quite expensive. I started entertaining the tourism aspect and hopped on there right away. Got me hooked up with, people that could help me with accommodations and told me all about the van service for getting back and forth. I flew into Arizona and then Yuma airport and went to Algodones, and I was thrilled. I was absolutely thrilled with the process. I have a disabled daughter who is on a lot of medications that give her dry mouth. They destroy her teeth. And so when I needed to come back to have extractions and implants and things like that, bone grafting, what have you, she came with me. And she had very limited funding because she lives on Medicaid, Medicare, and Social Security. She is a walking paraplegic. She's just a beautiful girl with bad teeth. And so you guys helped her in that situation. Dr. Bernice was her physician, her dentist, and I love that lady. I'll tell you what, I was happy overall. I met great people that were all there for the same reason. The staff was sweet and accommodating and friendly and attentive. I'm really happy with, the overall repairing of my mouth, the bone graft, the attention. It was good. I have a 30-year dental experience behind me. I used to work in an office for decades, and then I had my own lab and made orthodontic appliances for about 15 years. So I have a lot of experience in dentistry, and I'm very in tune to what you are trying to do for the patients, and I love you for it because you guys are great.
MTC is with you every step of the way. For your medical or dental trip, contact MTC today.